Welcome to the new video from the series dedicated to Crypt.Som. In the past series, we analyzed the registration process, KYC verification, and how to secure your account. Today you will learn about all the functions of the Crypt.Som Wallet app, and after watching this video you will easily understand its interface. All videos from this series can be found in the corresponding playlist, the link to which will be in the description. Subscribe to the Crypt.On channel and we are rolling. When you open the application, you will be greeted by a homepage or a page with your accounts. You can customize your homepage in the application customization section in the settings. If you have any questions related to the wallet or any other Crypt.Som products, you can contact the support at any time by clicking on the icon on the homepage. Support can be contacted on one of the 8 languages, including English. To quickly switch between pages and sections of the wallet, you can use the area located at the bottom of your screen, or the quick access menu that opens when you click on the lion icon. From the home page of the application, at the top of the screen you can see the total balance of your wallet and all connected third-party products, for example Crypt.Som Exchange, on which we will make a tutorial in the near future. Using the buttons just below the balance, you can go to trading, make a deposit, withdrawal, or transfer funds between Crypt.Som products. The next section contains favorite cryptocurrencies that you can change the list or display all of them by clicking on See All. Also, the home page will display the assets with the highest daily growth, and below is the Supercharger. Supercharger is one of the Crypt.Som's ecosystem products that allows you to receive coins from various projects for deposits in the Crypt.Som's Coin CRO. In the Accounts tab, you can review a detailed distribution of your assets and manage them. Using the Tools in the Track tab, you can automatically track the price change of the desired assets. In the Card tab, you can see the offers and order an exclusive Crypt.Som card, which we'll tell you about in one of the following videos. Through the quick access menu, you can go to the functions that we are already familiar with, Supercharger and Asset Tracking. In the Crypto Wallet section, you can manage your cryptocurrency assets stored on the Crypt.Som Wallet. In addition, in this section you can get quick access of the function of converting small amounts of cryptocurrencies, also called cryptocurrency dust, into CRO tokens. In the same section of the wallet or in the quick access menu, you can go to the Crypt.Som Pay system. Crypt.Som Pay is a Crypt.Som's cryptocurrency payment system. With its help, both the seller and the buyer of real-life goods can easily perform operations in cryptocurrency, pay for communication services, and conveniently send cryptocurrencies to their friends. With the exception of the previously mentioned functions, in the quick access menu you can find your Fiat account, Crypt.Som Credit Service, which provides cryptocurrency loans, and Crypt.Som Earn service, thanks to which you can receive up to 12% per year on deposits in cryptocurrency. With the help of the last 2 sections, you can track your referral rewards, rewards for using Crypt.Som Pay, as well as cashback received for payments using the Crypt.Som card. Thanks to this video, learning about the Crypt.Som Wallet app will not cause you any problems. In the following videos, we'll take a closer look at the functions related to purchasing and managing your cryptocurrency assets. Subscribe to our Twitter, Crypt.On Live. All links can be found in the description. See you in the next episode.